Hallelujah. And it has been happening. A lot of us, a lot of us, I have a friend, it's Mark. So you can record this one and then I'll send it to him or with me. Yeah, because of a teller. And the controls are bank, so that the teller will know that he has money in his account. What kind of worship is this? Then by the time you realize that teller no problem, who will seek an younger, who load 10,000 apple. Who do you seek out? This marker is so. And it is true. Some of us, we are sorry because we artificial. Oh, I sorry never see a Chinese master. Oh, I pray with you or something. Oh, Sunday school. I want to be a Sunday school teacher. I want to be a Sunday school madam because of my meal. I want to be a Sunday school teacher because of that. I can put it to you. Put it to me. You put it to yourself. Mercy on your head. What you say? We do a lot of things artificially. It doesn't come from our natural being. Worship should come from your natural being. Service should come from your